Good afternoon, students. Very good afternoon. Okay. Today we are going to learn about paper boards. Are you guessing? Yes. Okay. Had your lunch? What do you had? Sambar and rice. Yes or no? And then you ate banana. Yes or no? Okay. How was the lunch? Good or not bad? Good. Okay. Are you prepared these things?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. These are related to our poem. Which poem? That one? Which poem? Very good. Where is clouds? Okay. Where is your boats? Okay. Where is stars? Stars. Okay. All of you show your boats to me. Show your boat. Show your boat. Okay. Wide. Please. Bring that one. Bring that one. Okay. All of you hold your boats. Hold your boats. Okay. What you used for preparing boards? Papers and ಆ ಪೇಪರ್ ಬೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೇನು ಬಳಸಿದ್ರಿ? ಕಲರ್ಸ್. ಹಾಂ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಡೆಕೋರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಡೆಕೋರೇಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ಸ್? By using painting or drawing or putting flowers. Yes or no? Yes, ma'am. Okay. In which flowers you used for decorating that boat? Shivli flowers. You have to see that one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now I will recite the poem and you also after me you also repeat after me. Okay? Okay. Put your all the boats that in that your river or pond. Okay. Okay. Day by day, I float my paper boats. Day by day, I float my paper boats. One by one, down the running stream. Down the running stream. In big black letters, I write my name. In big black letters, I write my name on them and the name of village. The name of the village where I live. Where I live. And then I hope that someone in someone strange, someone in some strange land will find them and know who am I. And know who I am. I load my little boats with shuli flowers. Show the flowers. Show the flowers. I load my little boats. I load my little boats with showy flowers from our garden. And hope that these blooms of the dawn will be carried safely to land in the night. To land in the night. I launch my paper boats and look up into the sky. And look up into the sky. And see the little clouds. Little clouds. Show the clouds. Little clouds setting their white bulging sails. Setting their white bulging sails. I know not what playmate of mine in the sky sends them down the air to race with my boats. To race with my boats. When night comes, I bury my face in my arms and dream that my paper boats float on and on under the midnight stars. Under the midnight stars. The fairies of sleep are sailing in them. And the lading is their baskets. Full of dreams. Lading is their baskets. Full of dreams. This poem written by Rabindranath Tagore. Who was written this poem? Okay, very good. Here is your river and your boats. Yes or no?
Yes.
She is dreaming about her boats. Yes or no?
Yes.
She is dreaming about her boats. You also, all of you, repair the boats. Yes or no?
Yes.
And you write on that in your name. Yes or no?
Yes.
Write on it in black letters on the board. Yes or no?
Yes.
After that, what you can write? Your village name. Which is your village? Okay, good. Who prepared this one, Cloud? That is also good. Who will prepare that one? Who prepared this one?
Mine.
Okay. And then, where is your fishes? Okay. All of you prepared very well. Your boats are looking so nice. My dear students, you write on your name, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Which is your village name?
Arali.
Okay, what's your name? You did very well done. All the things are very looking nice. This doll is dreaming about her boats. Yes or no? You also dreaming? Okay. Show your name. Show your name. ತಗಮ್ಮ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ತಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಐತಿ you wrote your name and another side you wrote your which you write what you wrote your village name. Yes or no? Yes ma'am. Very nicely you did. Where is the stars? Okay. Flowers. Okay, nice. These are clouds. Very nice. This one also. This is my boat. This is my dreaming boat.
This is my boat.
Yeah.
Beautiful boat. My lovely
Good.
boat. My lovely beautiful boat.
Okay.
My super boat.
Very good.
Super boat.
Uh.
My super boat. My super boat. My big boat.
Big boat. So your big boat. Those are tiny boats are here. 2 tiny boats, and here also 3 boats are there in that. My colorful boat.
My nice boat.
Nice.
My lover boat.
Lovely. Face ಕೂಡ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಫೇಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಫೇಸ್ ಬರಲಿ. After that you will catch that one.
My friend boat. Cutie boat.
Cutie. Very good.
My cutie boat.
Here, cover that one. Nice. Very nice.
Color boat. Lovely boat.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಾಗೆ ದೂರ ಹೋಗ್ತಾವ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಟ್ಟಾನ dreaming boat, yeah. My dreaming boat, my lovely boat, my big boat, my cute boat, my small boat, my wonderful boat, prepared by me using paper and crayons and sketch pens
And stars
and flowers and also small pebbles. Yes or no?
Yes.
By using these pebbles also we decorate our river and boats. Yes or no?
Yes.
All of you keep your boats. Very wonderful boats are there in your river. Very nice. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಾ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಬಾ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ ಇದು ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಜಲ್ದಿ ಹಿಂಗಂದು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹಿಂದೆ ಸರಿ ಯಾವ ಚಿಕ್ಮಿ ಹಾಂ ಬಾ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಾ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ all of you decorated very well, my dear students. Thank you for your hard work and dedication. Okay, say loudly. Welcome. Say loudly. Say loudly. Welcome. Okay. Cover this one. Ashwini. Cover this one also. Oi. Okay, come this side. All of you come this side. Heart, you are my heartmates. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಬೇಡ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗಿ ಈಗ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತಗೊಂಬರುತ್ತೆ